Good evening. This is Breaking Now Science This Week. It's Sunday, November 9th, 2025. 8 stories. What happened, why it matters, what's next. COP30 opens on the Amazon's doorstep. World leaders converge on Belém, Brazil, for the UN Climate Summit. The message is urgent. The world is not on track for 1.5 degrees. New pledges center on protecting tropical forests and securing land rights for indigenous communities. Big levers for cutting emissions fast. Expect finance fights and accountability demands to define the week. JWST spots a puzzling gas on a nearby failed star. Astronomers use the James Webb Space Telescope to detect phosphine in the atmosphere of Wolf 1130c, a brown dwarf just over 20 light-years away. The signal is strong, on the order of parts per 100 billion, yet similar objects show none. That mismatch challenges our chemistry models for cool worlds and giant exoplanets. Follow-up spectra will probe how phosphorus cycles in harsh, low-metal environments. Enceladus. Heat from both poles keeps its ocean alive. A new analysis of Cassini data finds excess heat leaking from Enceladus's North Pole, about 46 milliwatts per square meter, balancing the South's famous tiger stripe vents. The energy budget implies a long-lived global ocean beneath 20 to nearly 30 kilometers of ice. Habitability just became a stronger case. Mission planners are eyeing plume sampling over drilling. The largest radio portrait of the Milky Way ever. After tens of thousands of observing hours, researchers stitched a sweeping radio mosaic of our galaxy's plane. It catalogs roughly 98,000 radio sources, supernova remains, stellar nurseries, pulsars, revealing structures invisible to optical light. This map will be a workhorse for years, from cosmic ray physics to star formation studies. Interstellar Visitor 3I Atlas back in morning skies. The third known interstellar object swung past the Sun on October 30th and is re-emerging before dawn in the northern hemisphere. New images show a compact bluish coma and unusual brightening near perihelion. Safe for Earth and far away, it's now a prime target for amateur and professional telescopes alike. Best window begins around November 11th, low in the east before sunrise. Kidney disease breakthrough, phase 3 success for atacicept. Enceladus nephropathy, a common cause of kidney failure. A weekly self-injection cut protein in the urine by about 46% from baseline and 42% versus placebo at week 36. Safety looked comparable to placebo in this interim readout. A U.S. FDA submission under accelerated approval is planned. The big watch item now is 2-year kidney function data. A setback for a one-and-done brain therapy. Unicor's Huntington's disease gene therapy hit a regulatory roadblock. After a pre-BLA meeting, FDA signaled that early-phase data aren't enough for approval. The company will need more evidence, likely longer, larger trials, before a filing can proceed. It's a reminder durable neurologic gene therapies must clear a high bar. Ancient roads newly mapped. Archaeologists unveiled Itiner-e, a high-resolution digital atlas that nearly doubles the mapped length of Roman roads to about 300,000 kilometers. Beyond highways, it traces the rural spines that moved food, goods, soldiers, and ideas. The dataset is open, so expect rapid discoveries as historians and modelers dig in. That's your week in science, clear, fast-sourced. I'm your host. This is Breaking Now Science This Week. See you next Sunday.